morning, everybody. How is everybody doing on this Monday morning? I wanted to go over some of my early morning routine. I'm a morning person. I sell real estate in Miami, and normally we don't have to really get started till like 9 or 10. It's not that I have to be at an office at a certain time, but I like to just get up, I ride my bike to the beach, try to watch the sunrise, and go to the gym and work out on a good day. So not every day, but that's what I try to do. And some things that really help with some healthy habits and sticking to a routine that works for me for like my mental health and for starting the day and the week off great. I wanted to share with you guys most of the stuff can just help you have an overall like better quality of life. So I'm in a new setup, so I tried to do the lights and the selfie stand here in my bedroom. Here's my nightstand, and then there's like a hallway that goes to my bathroom, which is where I've done the other lives, if you have watched my other lives. So hopefully you can hear me and see me okay. I'm still trying to figure out the chat box. I have my iPad mini here, so I'm going to try to put something in the chat if it lets me. And then also I thought that some of the items that I go over, I'm going to give you my take on them and how I use them, and then actually read some of the description so that you have more of like the exact details on some of the products versus just my take. So let me try to put something in the chat first real quick and see. It says another device is live streaming. So let's see if I can join. My dog's just trying to come in. Let me see if I can join the live stream. Enable camera and microphone. You must give live stream access. This is required. Not now. Okay, I don't want to mess it up, so I'll have to practice another time. Oh my gosh, hold on, my dog wants to go. I have a dog door. It's in my storefront under dog and pet, but I live in a condo, but I still have a dog door that goes from my bedroom to the balcony so that she can go outside and lay on the balcony whenever she wants. She just wanted me to open the blinds so she could go out. I wish I could show you guys. Let me see. I have a, so the light just changed obviously, but I have a grass stand out there. Let me see if I can show you in a second. I'm sorry, this is like totally thrown off the live, but before the live started, I brought my dog in, and then she wanted to go outside in the TV room, so I put her out there, and then of course now she wants to come back in. So let me see if I can sort of show you without messing up this entire thing. So I have like a dog door that goes to the balcony, and there's like a grass area, so she wanted to go out there. Okay. Anyways, we'll get started. Again, if you just joined, thank you. My name's Celia. If you want to follow me on social media, let me put the blinds back down so the light's better. I think she's coming back in. If you're just catching on, my dog came in and interrupted the live like she does every video, and I live in a condo, but I have a dog door insert in the glass. If you go to my storefront under dogs and pets, you'll see it. It's basically inserts into your sliding glass door so that she can go on the balcony whenever she wants. But I have the windows in the morning closed with electric blinds. I'm gonna close them. I think she's gonna come back in because it's messing up the light in the background, if you notice that. Ay. Sorry. Okay, I might have to let her back in a second, but anyways, what I was saying is I wanted to share with you guys some of my like healthy habit, morning routine things. Maybe there's something you can take away that's going to help you. Not every day, obviously, but in a perfect world, I try to do as much as I can each morning. And it really just starts your day, especially on Monday, like your week with the right mindset. I sell real estate in Miami. I sell commercial and ultra luxury houses and condos. If you are interested in like real estate content, just follow me on social. All my handles are pretty much my name, which is spelled really unique. It's Celia. So just copy my storefront name and you'll find it, and then you can send me a message. If you're watching this live, just click the video, tap it, and you'll be able to follow, so you'll know the next time I do other lives. Okay, she's coming back in, and then I can close the blind. Abby, I want her to maybe walk by so you guys can see her. Come here. Come here. Let's see. Come here, Abby. Let's see if she like walks by. Oh, you just missed her. Well, if you follow me on social, you'll see. Let me close the blinds again. And also I posted a live with the cover of her. She's a golden doodle. She's a really good dog. Okay, hold on. I think she's gonna walk by again. Like, Abby, say hi. Alright, let me get started with the live. Thank you everybody that has joined. I hope the lighting is okay now. Let's see. So the first item is this hatch. Let me pull it up on my iPad too so I can tell you the exact description. It's the sound machine, smart light, sleep routine, bedside reading light, wind down, sunrise alarm. So I have trouble sleeping sometimes, not necessarily falling asleep, but staying asleep. And then like I said, I wake up. I'm a morning person. I personally like to wake up early, even if I don't have to. So I bought this alarm clock thinking it might help me with my sleep, and it just is like a really calming thing to have, as well as sometimes I can hear street noise or traffic from inside my condo. So this has like the sound machine where you can put different types of beach waves or rain or stuff like that. It is like a little bit pricey. I think it's around $130. If I find any kind of similar ones, I have on my storefront folder called Bougie versus Budget, and so I try to put things in there that are similar items but maybe more budget friendly. Just otherwise send me a message and I'll try to find something and send you a link as well. Oh no, it says something went wrong.